Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here two 45mm smartwatches. It is an Ultra Watch clone or Watch Ultra clone series. So we have here the T800 Ultra smartwatch and we have the WS8 Ultra smartwatch. Both are 45mm smartwatches. And of course, we are going to compare it side by side when it comes to specs, design, as well as the features, especially the menus. So if you have any questions regarding these two smartwatches, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so we are now ready. So we have here on our right side the T800 Ultra smartwatch, and on the other side is what we have is the WS8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, let me arrange this first. Okay, we have here the T800 and the other one is the WS8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, they have a small form factor compared to the 49mm smartwatch. Okay, but they have the same style here. Okay, if you look at the design here, okay, so the T800 Ultra do have a much smaller button here, I think. So you see the difference. On the other side, okay, it's almost the same with, seems like the T800 Ultra is much thicker. I don't know, maybe just the same. Look at the difference on the button. It is much smaller here with the WS8 Ultra compared to the T800, including the speakers here. Okay, so you see the difference here. And at the back, so we have here the same, okay, back cover here, IML back cover. Okay, when it comes to weight, let's check. Okay, I'm curious about the weight here. Let's see if what is the difference, okay, when it comes to weight. So let's turn it on. Okay, let me fix this first. So 0 and we have around 52.78. So you can say it's 53, around 53. While the other one, let's see. Okay, so again, WS8 Ultra is 52 or 53, while for the T800 Ultra, we do have a much heavier, I guess just 1 gram. Okay, so it will not make any difference at all. It's almost in the same weight category. Maybe just the strap here, there's a difference in the strap. So this one, the strap is much thicker, and of course it will add to the weight. Okay, but when it comes to body frame, I guess it is just the same weight. Okay, so let's check on the menus and features offered in these smartwatches. Again, this is your WS8 Ultra smartwatch, and we have the T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, let's activate the screen. So here, as you can see, I pressed the crown button here. It's not working. Okay, so to power on or to show the screen, I think this is, you have to press the button here. In our T800 Ultra, you have to press the crown button. Okay, so we have here the watch faces. So here in the T800 Ultra, okay, so just swipe and you can change directly. You can change the watch faces directly. Here in the WS8 Ultra smartwatch, I think, let me see. So now you have to use the crown button to change. Okay, let's check the bezel here. So which is brighter here, much brighter. Which smartwatch do have a much better screen display? It's almost the same. Okay, so the same resolution, I think the same size. Okay, so on top, let's see. So we have, go back. Okay, we have the settings here, quick settings, a beautiful UI here for the WS8 Ultra. Okay, as you can see here, so there's a brightness adjustment. While for the T800 Ultra, let's see. Okay, no, it's on the bottom part, very basic. Okay, as you can see, which is better, of course. It goes to the WS8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, going back. Okay, on the other side we have split screen, as you can see here. While for the T800 Ultra, still watch faces. Okay, on the bottom part, notifications. For the notification section for the T800 Ultra, I think it's here on top. Okay, so both support app notifications. Okay, press to show the menu. Here, press to show the menu on the bottom part. It's almost the same UI here with a WS8 smartwatch with a much bigger font. Okay, so ECG, HR. Oh, they almost have the same features. Okay, so that's it for the T800 Ultra. For the WS8, we have other or additional features here. Okay, how about for the UI? Okay, let's go first with the HR or the heart rate. Oops. Press. So let's check. So here's the heart rate. Heart rate. So different UI here. I think I like the WS8 more when it comes to UI. And as you can see here, it warns or it notifies you if you're not wearing the smartwatch, and of course it will not be able to, it will not detect your HR. It will not process the monitoring, heart rate monitoring, if you are not wearing the smartwatch properly. While for the T800, seems like it is just a random number. Okay, so BP, we do, I think we have a BP here for the, okay, so as you can see here. Okay, going back for the sports functions, let's see. Breathing guide, menu styles. So let's check. Right here, here's the sports function. Okay, for the sports function, exercise. Okay, so this is going back, stop. So there's a lot of options for sports function. They almost have the same sports here. Running. So it counts for the time, the heart rate, calories, distance, and steps. Here, so they almost have the same UI here, as you can see. Beats per minute, calories, steps, and distance. Okay, I just don't know if how these smartwatches will perform, okay, when it comes to accuracy. Okay, what else do we have? Let's check. Weather, breathing guide. So menu style, so we have at least 5 menu styles here. How about here? Let's check. So simple for the T800 Ultra, but of course you have to remember the styles here. While for the WS8, okay, you can already see if what will be the menu styles. We have a preview here. Okay, as you can see, select, and that's it. Okay, so let's check other functions here. Again, for the support app, okay, so this one, the T800 Ultra, it is using the Watch Pro app, while for the WS8 it is using the RD Fit support app. Both are just basic support app. It's not impressive so far. Okay, I do hope that they use the Wear Pro or the Daffit app. Okay, but anyway, it's already there, so let's just be contented. Okay, we can't do anything about it. Settings, let's check. We have the series, set language and time. We have here the brightness, raise your wrist to wake up the screen. Okay, so we have connect, reboot, power up. So there's a lot of options for the WS8 smartwatch. Okay, so in terms of features here, okay, the points goes to WS8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, when it comes to design, it's almost the same. Okay, smartwatch here. Okay, so there's just a slight difference. Okay, so of course for the price, I guess the WS8 Ultra smartwatch is much pricier. Okay, so more than 20 US dollars, while for the T800 Ultra smartwatch, it is just less than 20 US dollars. Okay, so again, for the design, let's take a look. Okay, please take note that if you want to check for the specs of these wearables, you can check it on our website, smartwatchspecifications.com. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the T800 Ultra smartwatch with our WS8 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding these two smartwatches, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.